Is it rolling?
It's rolling. You've got the blunderbuss. You're half cocked. Never go anywhere half cocked. So we'll cock the whole thing and
here we go.
Blunderbuss. Just like our forefathers intended.
Oh, that's cool.
All right, so we are loading the blunderbuss today. Today on the range, I've got Mr. Jon Byerly, Chief Jon Byerly, with his, what is that?
1851 black powder revolver.
1851 Navy.
Navy, yep.
Black powder revolver. Look at that work. And the ships. It's beautiful. How many shots you get out of that thing?
6.
Beautiful. And then on the range, we've got Master Marksman Gerrit Nagel. And he is going to be showing us how to load the blunderbuss today that I got from my brother Seth. So thank you, Seth, for this very sweet gift. We put it together. We built this beautiful thing. Thank you, John, for all the help in that. And what are you doing, Gerrit?
First, we're going to put the powder
right down the tube.
Yeah.
We load about 60, 70 grains of powder there.
Take a wax.
Take a wax seal and a 54
lead ball.
Caliber lead ball. Shove it down the tube. Use the round starter to really get it in there. That's how you're going to do it for those of you watching at home with your Legos. Then you use the rod to shove it all the way down until it seats. Last but not least, you're going to get one of those number 11 percussion caps to put right on that bad boy, right there, somewhere. If you're a working mom from home and you use vegetables, Legos, really anything you can pour down the barrel of this blunderbuss, as long as you got any amount of powder, then you're good to go. All right. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, now let's shoot the other one here.
How much do you think we got on target?
Nice. Beautiful. So fun. This is a cool hobby. Thank you to Green's Gun Shop for the sponsorship and letting us use the range today.
Let me know when you're filming. It's rolling.
Seth, thank you for the sweet Traditions 54 caliber blunderbuss. Nicely engraved brass butt plate there, and we've just finished loading it. It only took us 12 minutes, and we're ready to fire. So let's see what happens.